For many years, Macs have relied on a set of keys on your keyboard to boot into different startup modes. Option key let you choose your hard drive, Command R brought you to recovery mode, and all of that has changed now with the new M1 machines. Let's take a look. The nice thing about the new M1 machines is actually it's one button no matter what you want to do. Just press and hold the power button and keep holding it down until you see those options. When you first start by holding down the power button and you wait a couple seconds, you're going to see both an options button there and any potential hard drives that can boot the computer. That's the replacement for the option key. If you go into the actual options option, and I know that's a mouthful, you'll end up in the macOS recovery mode. Recovery mode will ask you for a user's password that you know to get into the system, especially if you have File Vault turned on. From here, you can do things such as restore from Time Machine, reinstall macOS Big Sur, get to Safari to browse Apple support articles, or go to Disk Utility. Instead of target disk mode, now you can actually just choose the utilities option and choose shared disk, and it will allow you to choose which disk you want to share, putting the drive basically into target disk mode. No more holding down the letter T. There's Apple Diagnostics built in also, and a few other options as we're learning about them. The new M1 machines are a great addition to the Mac lineup, and obviously Apple is moving all of their machines over time to their own processors, the M1, and maybe eventually the M2 and 3. Who knows where they're going to go with it. With holding down just the power button, you can get to all of those great startup options that you are used to. I'm Justin from Virtual Computers, and this has been another one of our 365 Days of Tips.